Rising from the heart of Kent, England, lies one of the oldest and most historically significant places of worship in the country, Rochester Cathedral. Founded in the year 604 AD, Rochester Cathedral holds the distinction of being the second oldest cathedral in England, just after Canterbury. Step inside, and you're walking through more than 1,400 years of history. From Saxon beginnings to Norman grandeur, every stone tells a story. The cathedral we see today began its transformation in the 11th century when Gundulf, a monk and skilled architect, rebuilt it in the Romanesque style. Gundulf would go on to build the Tower of London's White Tower, but Rochester remained his spiritual masterpiece. Rochester has witnessed kings and crusaders, plagues and pilgrimages. In fact, it was one of the stops on the medieval pilgrimage route to Canterbury, immortalized by Chaucer in the Canterbury Tales. Inside, you'll find layers of history carved into its architecture. Look closely, and you might spot remnants of medieval graffiti, centuries-old inscriptions, and Romanesque carvings that have survived the test of time. Yet even after all that, the beauty of Rochester endures. Its chapter library holds rare manuscripts, including the Textus Rufensis, an extraordinary document from the early 12th century containing the oldest surviving copy of English law. The cathedral's tower, rising above the rooftops, has stood through Viking raids, the Black Death, the English Civil War, and the Blitz. In fact, during World War II, stained glass was removed for protection, and some of it was never returned. From its Saxon foundations to its Norman arches, from medieval saints to modern visitors, Rochester Cathedral is a living timeline. Today, Rochester Cathedral is not just a place of worship, it's a living monument, a space where the echoes of the past meet the voices of today. Whether you come here for quiet reflection, spiritual connection, or simply to admire its incredible architecture, Rochester Cathedral stands as a timeless symbol of faith, art, and resilience. If these walls could speak, they'd tell the story of England itself.